you guys can probably see here, we got tons of snow. Tons of snow. And there's the E55. So we're gonna go have a little bit of fun. What's going on, guys? 40 Brothers here for another video, and today it's Saturday morning, and we got 8 inches of snow just outside of Pittsburgh here. So we figured there's nothing to do today, not working, really nothing to do. So we figured we got new tires on the E55, and let's go see what it does in the snow. So basically today we're just gonna goof around, hoon around in the E55.
We know this isn't gonna be good, but we were bored. The car's dirty, so we said, you know what? Might as well give it a shot. The roads are they're not plowed 100%, so there's no
salt. We wouldn't drive this on the road if there was salt, but it's just snow.
Yeah, it's just fresh snow, so we're gonna give it a go, and we'll show you guys see how it goes.
Let's go.
All right, so as you can tell here, the roads. Nick, what are you doing? Move over to. Why are you going in the heavy stuff? Move over. You're gonna get stuck.
I want to test it. So
as you can tell here, the roads they're covered, and as you'd expect, we are spinning like crazy.
Oh no, right now it's not bad.
Huh?
No, I'm not spinning at all right now.
You might want to slow down a little bit, Nick.
I just want to test it out.
You're gonna slide and go to a mailbox and mess the whole front end up. You'll be coming out of your pay. You'll be paying for it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Right now I'm steady mobbing through the neighborhood here. You can see.
What, about 18?
18.
This is useless. We're going spinning like crazy. 100% useless. Can you go right, you think? Oh, there's a lot of snow over here. Oh, easy, Nick.
All right, this is pretty deep stuff right here. I mean, you can see it on the side of the road over here. I mean, this is
very deep. This is probably stupid going down the street.
And we're on brand new summer tires.
Yeah, brand new summer tires. If you watched our last video, you'll know we got those Lexanis, those cheap stuff. Take it easy, Nick. You're gonna hit that mailbox. Jeez.
We'll test her out.
Trash control is working overtime. That's what it's getting paid for.
We're probably plowing snow at the front of the car right now.
Oh, guaranteed. Why don't you go more towards where it's lighter? Yeah.
I want to test it out, see how good it is.
Don't dig up the whole road. The job isn't to plow snow here. We ain't getting paid to do that.
We'll send the city Weir in a bill.
Yeah, we'll send them the invoice. We're going about, what, 20 miles an hour?
Yeah, around there.
Yeah, you'll see here. I
mean, the traction's, you know.
This isn't really doing it justice because this snow is like so deep over here.
I mean, you can literally feel it. It's like.
You better take it easy around this turn, Nick. We're gonna end up over the hill.
This right here is kind of plowed.
This right here is probably only about, what, an inch or two snow?
Yeah.
It's doing okay right here, but on the last street, oh, it was bad. Because literally it's all untouched over here.
Let's see if I can make this turn.
Yeah. Gonna get stuck.
What is this? Like someone came right here.
Oh boy.
Okay, this is some deep, so this is like 8 inches right here. We're going.
I'm surprised it's actually digging through, yeah.
I mean, we're literally digging through this like, it's slow, but I mean it does.
It's digging through, I'm surprised.
Matt's gonna take over now and test it out. We're gonna get some outside shots of the car.
Go back and forth and
yeah, just go around over here. We still got those Michelin pods in the front, the summer tires. We got the brand new Lexanis back here. I mean, they're literally brand new. I think we got like 25 miles on these or something like that.
Just want to let everybody know, we're not trying to promote any foolishness. This is foolish. When you got a car like this, there's no reason to drive it when you have that in the driveway, the Jeep. Or any other Jeep, any other four-wheel drive car in general. Because almost everything we have is four-wheel drive except this, so that's why we're taking it out today, have some fun. Show them a profile how much snow's over there, Nick.
You guys can get an idea. Let's see this. I mean, we got a lot of snow over here. I mean, look at the road. I mean, you can tell we got some nice snow action here, so. Some spinning action. If you guys want to know what we daily drive in the winter, this is a 97 Grand Cherokee. It's got 200,000 miles on it. And well, we park all 4 Mercedes, even though 3 of them are 4MATICs, we park them all year round. Not all year round in the winter, just so we don't, the salt the roads just destroys cars here. So this is our daily drive for the winter. Caught some of that dry action over here, Matt. How was it?
Absolutely terrible.
Yeah, but we can get stuck.
Terrifying. You see how slow it took me to make the turn?
Yeah, but you didn't get stuck. We got stuck on our Honda. We didn't
you get stuck in a Honda. Honda's way better than this. Don't let them fool you. This is terrible in the snow.
Yeah, but we got summer tires on here. You get some nice winter tires, you'd be good to go.
Winter tires.
I don't know. All right, guys, you can tell by the video and what you saw. The car,
talking so loud.
The car did decent in the snow. I mean, it's not what you want to be like caught in a snowstorm type of deal, driving all year round.
It's not a good idea.
I mean, if you had snow tires, you might get away with it. I don't know.
Yeah, we don't have snow tires. So
we got brand new summer tires, so I mean, they're not even really broken in. I guess if tires get broken in, but it's like 15 degrees outside. We had 8 inches of snow on the road.
Except where we were driving, some parts were really deep.
Some parts were like a couple inches.
Why are you talking so loud?
Because I'm freezing. I warm myself up.
Some parts are really deep, some parts were light. Nonetheless, we didn't get stuck, but yeah, I definitely would not recommend this. But
nah.
We knew that going into this. I know people are gonna comment and say, "What do you expect? It's a rear-wheel drive." Da, 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 da. Yeah,
this is just for fun, guys.
It's just for fun because we're bored.
Yeah, so you internet trolls, you can you know, just leave the video now, and if you're offended, yeah. But if you like this video, give it a like. Why not?
Yeah.
Share it. See, you know, show other people how dumb we are driving our AMG in 8 inches of snow.
The E55 needs a lot of work too. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff to it. I think some of it might be doing ourselves, some we might be taking to a mechanic, but we'll probably be some more how-to videos maybe.
Yeah,
so
we got a lot more videos coming.
Yeah, we got a lot of videos coming, guys. So
until then, take care.